Alright, folks, good morning. Here we are today receiving the package coming from JNT. This is the order I made from Lazada, and I expect to receive, of course, as I ordered a phone which is a Tecno Pova 6, the 4G version. Alright, so here we go. We're going to get to the box now for the unboxing. Alright, so this is the usual thing that we do, as I said for a while already during unboxing, every unboxing that I do. Okay, mo ginisay kinahanglan ito talaga ang kinakailangan for us to be able to make a good claim of refund and return and refund um, if ever there is something that is wrong with the package. So, as you can see, I'm gonna show you the box first. As important as it is, that is intact. Okay, the document that is on top of it, which is a sort of a tracking document, something like that, and of course a seal all around the box. Okay, there is no turn or we'll say sign of it being how do you call this one, being mishandled. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is to tear this top part of the package. Okay, so using the scissors. So that's it. Here we're having it. Okay, we're cutting this part. The seal. We capture the seal, and it's good to note that the package is wrapping is so well. It has a lot of caution because it's made thick. As you can see, it's really made thick. There are a lot of plastic bubbles. Nilagyan nila ganyan ng maraming plastic bubbles sa loob. Okay, just to make sure, of course, that the package inside is not, we'll say, is not to be damaged. Kasi kailangan kasi cellphone nga ito eh. Tecno Pova 6. Okay, so here, nabuksan na natin ang top part. Alright, so makikita na natin kung anong nasa loob. So the plastic. Okay, dalawang boxes. I mean, not the plastic, but the box. The carton boxes. Okay, got the boxes here inside. Alright, makikita natin. So, una makikita natin, siyempre, itong malaking box. This maybe is a freebie. Hopefully, na may freebie pa sila. Alright, so, let's pull this out. Laki ng box. Hirap tanggalin. Hirap talagang ilabas, ano? Kasi malaki siya. Tsaka masikip. Alright. We're pulling the box out. Siguro unahin na lang natin itong maliit. This maybe is the box for the phone. Or this maybe is the box that contains the phone. Alright. Okay. Grabe. So, ang hirap siyang tanggalin. Kailangan ko talagang putulin itong bahaging ito. Oh. Kailangan ko talagang putulin. Kasi nga pala, nakadikit pala siya, oh. Nakaano pa siya, eh. Nakadikit pa siya sa... It's yet wrapped with this, the adhesive tape. Yan, nakita natin, isa yun yung unang box nakalagay. Pova 6, Tecno Pova 6, Firelight T84. That maybe is the name of the game that they, how do you call this one? They advertise. Alright, so ayan, bukas na. Nasira na rin ang ating packaging. And the next thing that we're gonna do is to see the inside of these boxes. Right, unahin na rin natin itong phone box. Ayan, kasi mukhang ito naman talaga ang phone box eh. Ayan. So, Tecno Pova 6, so get 16 gig RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage built-in. Sige. Magaling kasi tingnan niyo. Napaka stiff ng kanyang plastic wrapping around the carton box. Napaka stiff. Siya talaga mukhang napaka conscious nila doon sa safety ng content. Okay, so pagka nabasa, for example, muulan, hindi siya talaga basta-basta nababasa. So may pa siya, may plastic seal pa yata rito. Still need to cut? Wala naman. So anong gagawin natin? So Let's see if it's still protected by some sort of plastic seal. Wala naman. So, paano kaya ito buksan? Oh, man. Mahirap siyang buksan, ano? Ay, may seal pala. Ayan, may techno seal pa. Oh, may silyo pa. Mga ka-viewers, may silyo pa yan. Alright, may seal pa yan, oh. So, I think we need to tear this part up para mabuksan talaga. I don't know. Pero mukhang yun ang gagawin natin. Mukha. Thing that I'm going to do is to pull this off. Pero talagang napakahirap siyang i-pull off. So, paano ba? Paano ba to? Ay, ayan. Napupush out lang pala siya. Nasira tuloy. Okay, so, it was just the outer covering of the box. Okay, and here, alright, successfully! We're happy to see the item here inside the box. Ayan, nakakita nyo. Nandyan talaga siya. Salamat, Panginoon. Lord, thank you. Ayan, nandyan talaga. Alright, and all the specification written in this plastic wrapping. And of course, the phone itself. Alright, looks cool. Wow! Look at that. Kita nyo naman. Ang ganda ng kaniyang likuran. Kaya lang sabi rito, plastic lang to. So, first thing you're gonna do is to turn this on. Oh, wait, baby. We're yet to turn this on. Ayan, it's turned on. Alright, so, lagay muna natin sa gilid. Okay, dito muna tayo sa box. Mga chong. No, just put that there. Put the thing there. Okay, dito. Tingnan muna natin dito. Ayan, dito muna. Wow, ganda ng kanyang, boot animation, Okay, here. That was the phone. Okay, and here inside the box, inside the phone box, get stickers. Hey! Diri man kadapit. Oh my God, bakit ganon? Okay, get sticker here. Kapag minaminaw niya ako ang sticker, freebie. Wow, katulad ng nasa review talaga, Yun yung, at saka, itong, this one, how do you call this? The free jelly case. Lagay na natin kagad. Alright, so here we have it. Putting it to fit the cell phone itself. Alright, so ayan. Ganda. And we have this. The charging brick. This is said to be 70 watts. Alright, so, and the other things that we can see inside the box that we expect to see.
Wait, English.
Alright. Hey, no, don't touch it. Hey, we have, of course, this charging cable and the free this one, which we need really nowadays. Okay, so tinatanggal ito, ninanakaw ng ibang ng ibang mga stores, lalo na yung mga physical stores. Kinukuha nila, they stole it. Lalo na yung mga USB type na ganito. But this one is the old one. The type that is somewhat like the traditional one. So, nandito. Because this phone has an audio jack right here. Okay, so, yun. So, ayan. So, and that's it. Thank you, Tecno. And of course, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan itong box sa kabila. Hey, are you listening to me? Box sa kabila. Because it goes with the gift. I mean, the phone goes with the gift. It goes with the gift. Okay, here. And the gift that they include, the Tecno includes in the order is placed in a separate big box. Ayan, nakita nyo, big, nakapakalaki ng box, Grabe wala si Tecno. Ang galing, grabe Tecno, ha? Grabe, maraming bibili sa inyo, grabe. Ako, akala ko nga it is just for show, but it really is real. Kita nyo naman, nandito. Gift for you, grabe. Ang anak kong maliit na babae, tuwang-tuwa siya. She's got a new phone. Sabi niya, that's what she said, but the phone is really for my son. Yeah, but she said that the phone is hers. Wow! No, wala ito sa kanilang sa display doon sa platform sa Lazada. Wala ito but I am so surprised, you know what, folks? Sorpresang tayo rito kasi nandito siya. May speaker at saka mayroon pang Meron pa, as you can see, we have this water bottle here which says, of course, the name Tecno right here. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo. At saka ito, ano kaya ito? This maybe is a holder, phone holder, I don't know how this thing is to be used. Okay, and of course, ito, sure na sure tayo kung ano ito. Speaker. Basta, it's sort of like that. Basta Tecno ha. I'm so happy, and of course, the courier that handles this, siyempre masaya tayo kasi iningatan nila. JNT, thank you. Ha? Sa kayong mga courier ninyo. Alright, so see you. Okay tayo. If you really like the video presentation, the unboxing that we do here, and the things that we discovered about Tecno, and you think you are being you're being helped, and you're convinced at the same time that you instead of you buying I will say phone from other store or brand, you instead opt to buy Tecno because of this. Then don't forget to subscribe if you want to. Yeah, subscribe. Yeah, and like Tecno, of course. Patronize Tecno. Yeah. Let's go. Bye bye.